Langar Khana.
What the Langar Khana means to me is a massive, huge kitchen with massive cauldrons of dal.
Dal.
You know what? Our producer just said Langar Khana here, and I hope people don't confuse Khana with Khana. They're not the same thing.
Huge kitchens with 30, 40 workers making food for 30,000 people, and that kitchen makes, if you didn't know, over 270,000 meals in the space of 3 days.
Wow.
It's something that was started in the time of the Promised Messiah, peace be upon him, and it was started because in that time where people used to flock from all over the country to visit Qadian, see the Promised Messiah, peace be upon him. That was his hospitality.
I've made it myself last year around 200 plus deshkas, 200 plus pots of dal. It's really hard. It took us like 6-7 hours to just prepare the masalas for 600 pots. And then we made all the lentils, mixed all the lentils one night before Jalsa. And it took us like 6-7 hours.
This was the kitchen of the Promised Messiah, peace be upon him. He was the one responsible for that, and he began that, and he served everybody who came to him food. Even so much so that I know that when people who used to come and visit him left his house without food, he used to follow them and actually present them with food. Even if it was miles away, he would follow them. And this was his spirit, and which is carrying on till today. That's the Langar Khana.
Basically, the first thing that comes into my mind when you say Langar is extraordinary food.
Extraordinary food indeed.
Fresh, hot, extraordinary food.
The first Langar Khana was the kitchen of the Promised Messiah Islam's house, where Hazrat Ammajan would cook the food. So, we need to remember where the Langar Khana originated from. And now we've got, multiple Langar Khanas.
What does it mean to you?
To me,
You lost for words. That's how good it is.
yeah.
Yeah, and I think my tummy is rumbling a bit.
Yeah, mine as well. I'm craving Langar.